Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is video number 2. We're just going to show you how we have managed to change the Toyota Prius 2016 hybrid battery. Right, so where is the filter located? The filter is located in the back seat. The back seat at the seat, and on it there is a filter. So the 2010-2015 model, the filter used to be somewhere around here. It also requires to be changed, but for this one the filter is underneath the seat. So all you need to do is remove this you just need to remove this cover, and inside you find the filter, and this is the inlet for the hybrid system battery. For hybrid system air cooling. Yeah. So this filter was very dirty. We've just cleaned it. Ideally we should be changing it, but for now we don't have the time, so we've just decided just to clean it for now and put back. The difficulty in taking it out is that it's secured by this screw, and this screw can be so difficult to come out. So you just have to be patient, otherwise just break it, and if you can spare one, put a new one in. Alright guys, if you like a video, subscribe to my channel by all means, and equally feel free to give your feedback in terms of comment or like or dislike. Thank you, bye.